Hey friends, today is Monday, Columbus Day, or October 11th, and I am about to present to you a big mess. Yep, that's right. There before your very eyes sits a bunch of boxes, which include sheets, comforters, other stuff that I totally forget what's inside. Over here, that big long box there is a mattress. And ignore everything that should be hung on the wall, because eventually they will be. I just need help doing so. There, standing up, is the bed frame and headboard. So as I mentioned in yesterday's video, if you haven't seen it, go ahead and check that video out right there. I am about to hopefully successfully put a queen size bed together. Okay, this is finally the finished product. I am so flirping excited. I made up a new word, flirping. How about that? So here is the final, ignore the boxes under the bed. They are my coffins that nobody shall know about, except for you guys, because I trust you. All right, yes, you see different pillowcases because the one on the right is actually a body pillow that I've been using. The one in the middle is my travel pillow that I still use for my ears, and yes, I love it. It's a musical theme. I'll go ahead and show you a close-up. Guitars. He plays guitar and I tinker. Musical notes. I'll go on the opposite side and give you a better glance at that. They're really awesome pillowcases, you guys. Okay, so there we go. There's a proper close-up. All right, again. Oh, and I got to show you the. Looks like denim, but it's really not. It's upholstered. But you guys, I love denim, so I had to have that. Okay, so I would show you a picture of my tired mug, but I don't want to give you nightmares. Just picture me all sweaty. You've seen me sweaty. And yeah, that's pretty much it. Thank you so much for watching. If you haven't already, please subscribe. I'd love to have you with me. If you have subscribed already, thank you so much. It is so awesome having you with me. And if you have any questions, please feel free to throw them in the comments. I'm so out of breath. And I will do my best to answer as best as I can. Okay? Thank you so much, and I will see you on the flip. Bye-bye.